Hello and welcome back. Today, we're unboxing something truly special for Formula 1 fans, the 2023 Oracle Red Bull Racing RB19 Max Verstappen 118 Bburago diecast scale model. Let's get started. This beautifully crafted model is an officially licensed product, ensuring authenticity and attention to detail. From the sponsor logos to the aerodynamic curves, every aspect of the RB19 is replicated to perfection. It comes securely mounted on a sturdy plastic base, with the model and the driver's name elegantly displayed. Ideal for showcasing this masterpiece in your collection. Whether on a shelf or your desk, it's a true showstopper. Max Verstappen's RB19 exemplifies the perfect synergy between driver and machine. Its record-breaking performance is a result of years of innovation and refinement, making it a standout in Formula 1 history. Whether you're admiring the intricate design or showcasing it in your collection, the RB19 diecast model captures the essence of Red Bull Racing's engineering excellence. The RB19 was a dominant force in the 2023 season, securing numerous victories for Max Verstappen, including his record-breaking third consecutive Drivers' Championship. The model also features steerable front wheels, allowing you to pose it as if it's ready to take on the next corner at high speed. Verstappen, known for his aggressive driving style and unmatched consistency, has become one of the most successful drivers in Formula 1 history at such a young age. This model features a driver figure in the cockpit, complete with detailed helmet graphics. And for fans of the Mexican superstar, this model is also available in the number 11 Sergio Perez version, another key contributor to Red Bull Racing's Constructors' Championship in 2023. Whether you're a die-hard Red Bull Racing fan, a Max Verstappen enthusiast, or just love collecting F1 diecast models, the 118 Bburago RB19 is a must-have. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing videos. See you next time.